Bitcoin mining explained. How it works and why it matters. Crypto Unlocked EP 5 inches. Bitcoin mining. One of the most fascinating and crucial processes in the crypto world. But what exactly is Bitcoin mining? How does it work? And why is it so important? Let's break it down step by step. Bitcoin mining is the process that keeps the Bitcoin network running and secure. But unlike traditional mining, where you dig up gold or coal, Bitcoin mining happens digitally. It requires no physical labor, only powerful computers solving complex mathematical puzzles. But why do we need mining? Well, Bitcoin operates without a central authority, meaning no banks or governments control it. Instead, it relies on miners to verify transactions and ensure that the network remains decentralized and trustworthy. Imagine Bitcoin as a giant, public digital ledger where every transaction is recorded. But before these transactions can be confirmed, someone needs to verify them. That's where miners come in. They use powerful computers to solve cryptographic puzzles, competing against each other to validate transactions and add them to the blockchain. This process is called proof of work. The first miner to solve the puzzle gets the right to add a new block of transactions to the blockchain. And in return, they are rewarded with newly minted Bitcoin. This reward is known as the block reward. Now, here's an interesting fact. Bitcoin mining rewards decrease over time through an event called halving. Every 4 years, the block reward is cut in half, making Bitcoin scarcer and, potentially, more valuable. When Bitcoin first launched, the reward for mining a block was 50 BTC. Today, it's only 6.25 BTC per block, and in the future, it will decrease even further. But Bitcoin mining isn't just about earning rewards. It also plays a major role in securing the network. The more miners there are, the harder it is for anyone to manipulate Bitcoin transactions. This decentralized process makes Bitcoin one of the most secure digital currencies in the world. However, mining isn't easy. It requires expensive hardware, high electricity consumption, and constant maintenance. That's why many miners join mining pools, where they combine their computing power and share the rewards. Mining pools make it easier for smaller miners to participate, rather than competing alone against large-scale mining farms. As Bitcoin's popularity grows, mining difficulty increases, making it harder for individuals to mine alone. But don't worry, there are still other ways to be involved in Bitcoin, such as investing, trading, and even earning small amounts through activities like Bitcoin faucets. Bitcoin mining is essential to keeping the network decentralized, secure, and functional. Without miners, Bitcoin would simply not work as we know it today. In the next episode of Crypto Unlocked, we'll explore how to safely store your Bitcoin and protect it from hackers. So, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to I Like USA for more insightful crypto content. Asterisk.